Things are just really bad right now. I'm trying to get help just so I can get some food and get someplace to take a shower. Just so I can get some food and get someplace to take a shower. And I'm asking for anything helps. I'm asking for like $70 to get some food. I haven't eaten in 4 days, no matter what anyone wants to say. And I'm trying to get to the YMCA so I can take a shower. I didn't get the new place. Whatever's gone wrong is always going to be wrong. My life is just shit. Okay, just go away, Nani, please. Take your Facebook and leave. Okay, you can leave too. I didn't get my check. I didn't get my check. No, they let people who are homeless go there and take showers. I don't know. My SSDI is no longer. I don't have it anymore. But if anyone can help, my C is on the screen. PayPal and Venmo in my bio. I'm just needing to take a shower and get something to eat because I really haven't eaten in 4 days. I'm so over it. I'm so ready to give up. They said that they've been trying to mail me a letter for a month or so. They said that they've been trying to mail me a letter for a month or so. And of course I didn't get it because I moved. I didn't get it, Sam. So I'm just trying to get some help. I'm trying to get anything helped. And I understand they do. No, because I've changed my phone number. Thank you for the roses. I didn't get my new place. Hi, Shauna. Okay, Jessica. I don't have a home. I'm homeless. No, it went Isabella because I don't do that. So you can leave too. I just want to eat. The apartment's gone. Everything's gone. I don't even have my mom anymore. But if anyone can help with anything, I do appreciate it. My C is on the screen. I just want to get something to eat, and I want to go take a shower. Because it is Matilda, you already know why. I didn't get my check. But if anyone can help with anything, I'm trying to get at least $70 so I can take a taxi to the YMCA and get something to eat also. Nope, I didn't move in. My life is just shit, Becky. They said they've been trying, or they sent a letter out 2 months ago. I don't care. I can't leave the state without money. A letter stating something about they needed information, and I never got it. Our homeless shelter, the closest one, is in Alfred, and they're full, and you have to be on wait list there, so I can't. And Petra, it's not on demand. If you lived my life, you'd be crying too. I actually haven't been able to work. When you're homeless and you're not eating, and literally you're sleeping in the woods, it's hard to get to work. I've actually been sleeping. I'm not saying it, actually, I don't want to. I didn't update anything. No, I didn't think of it. There's been a lot going on. I don't care. I haven't been on here for 4 or 5 days, actually. Thank you for the $5. I really do appreciate it. So now I'm needing $65 more. If anyone can help with any part of it, my C is on the screen. PayPal and Venmo in my bio. If anyone can help with any part of it, my C is on the screen. PayPal and Venmo in my bio. It's not safe. PayPal and Venmo in my bio. It's not safe. It's not safe here. Go away, please. Thank you for the $10. I do appreciate it so much. So now I'm down to $55 more. If anyone can help, I do appreciate it. I'm needing help getting some food because I haven't eaten in 4 days. And I need to get to the Y so I can take a shower because I haven't had a shower either. Currently, no, I don't have a place to stay. I'm kind of just trying. I didn't get my check. I'm not doing good at all. Yes, 4 days. I'm not gonna be able to cook anything, obviously. It's gonna have to be prepared. Because I'm trying to prevent people from driving by, making fun of me, and taking pictures. I haven't got any food, so I don't know what you're talking about. That's great. I'm gonna report yours too. But now I'm down to needing $55 more. If anyone can help, I appreciate you. I lost my apartment. I'm losing everything. Oh my god, I wish that was true, 207. I wish that was true. I've gotten 15 so far. I'm just needing some help. I don't know what to do. But if anyone can help, I'm needing $55 more. I'm trying to get some food. I'm trying to get to the Y so I can take a shower. I can't go to the food bank because I don't have any way to lug it with me. I haven't been able to work. Because I didn't end up moving in. I'm sorry if you weren't here. I wish it was fake. That check is coming back from Western Union. I haven't been able to work because it's hard to work when you're homeless, you haven't had a shower, and you haven't eaten. I haven't been able to get there. You guys are so fucked up, dude. What does it matter? I haven't sent them anywhere else. You guys are fucking sick. I usually get a disability check. I didn't get my Social Security. But if anyone can help with anything, my CA is on the screen. PayPal and Venmo are in the bio. Oh, the person that's sitting here watching me because they think it's really great. Yeah, did you see me flip them off? About fucking over it, dude. Sick motherfuckers. I love it. I am being honest. They didn't up and drop it. They've been trying to get a hold of me for... I am being honest. They didn't up and drop it. They've been trying to get a hold of me for 2 or 3 months now. I don't have a home. I wish I had a home. There's only one shelter. It's in Alfred, and they don't have any room, and you have to be on a wait list, and I can't get to Portland. And I didn't. I forgot. Beachy, I'm needing help with $55 or anything so I can get a few groceries to eat and get up to the YMCA and take a shower. It's not late. I don't have it anymore. You know what? I've about fucking had it with these people. You wanna make a fucking mockery out of me? Yeah, fucking go to, you little bitch. Scab. You're a bitch. I do it to myself. Why? Because I'm out here trying to get help. And people think it's fucking funny, and then we'll run like a little fucking bitch. I don't see them approaching me. They need to approach me. I bet they fucking don't. This isn't okay. I can't get to the Social Security office. I can't get to the Social Security office. It's not paranoia. They just took off. They were clearly here. I need help with $55 more so I can get some food, take a shower, and go back to the woods. It's not okay for people to sit here and harass you and taunt you. It's okay, I got the license plate number. I'll just report it like I did the last one. But if anyone can help with anything... I'm not hiding. I'm clearly not hiding since I'm right friggin' here. I mean, I shouldn't have to hide. I shouldn't have to. I mean, this is harassment when they're riding around me. Did you not notice that? Psycho! I don't have anything. I don't have an Amazon list to put anything with. Nobody deserves this. License plate Trinity, you're gone. I don't deserve this. Nobody deserves this. Nobody deserves this at all. I haven't had anything to eat in 4 days. I'm needing help getting to the YMCA so that I can take a shower. And I need help because I didn't get my check. And I had people just stopping, riding around me like a bunch of weirdos that have no life. No, there's not. I guess it doesn't even matter. I just call the police department. It's okay. If anyone's able to help, I'm needing $55 more. Anything helps. Oh, I'm staying on here because I need help. I don't have 2 phones. Somebody else call the cops for me. I can't call my mom. I don't have a home. There's no temporary shelter until I think next month. I don't have my check anymore. But I'm trying to get help with some food. And I'm trying to take a shower. And anything helps. My CA's on the screen. Because I gotta take it away. Somebody gotta take it away from me. Yeah, Gabby, I'm in the Midtown Mall. Come on down and leave making fun of me. I didn't get my check this month. I didn't get the place above the garage. I haven't eaten in 4 days. I just want to eat and take a shower and go back to my spot in the woods. If anyone can help with anything, I'm grateful. I just want to eat. Yeah, the woods. Gosh, I wish I was lying right now. Unfortunately, this is real shit. I didn't get my check. I didn't get my check. I didn't get my check. I didn't get my check.